This is Tamanpreet Kaur. I'm gonna explain the main objective of English Supplementary Reader Class 8 Chapter number 1, How the Camel Got His Hump. My objective is, what lesson is the story teaching us? Before explaining the objective, we should go through the story. The story How the Camel Got Its Hump is a fable written by well-known writer Rudyard Kipling. In those days, animals had just started working for man. All animals were working for humans, but there was an animal, camel, who was living alone in the desert and was not doing any work. When anybody spoke him for work, he only make a hump sound like and nothing else. Seeing this, the horse with the saddle on his back came to the camel and said to camel, "Come out and trot like us." The camel was so lazy, he only said, Now a dog came with a stick in his mouth and said, "Camel, oh camel, come out and fetch sticks like us." Again, the lazy response of camel was, Then the ox came with the yoke on his neck and said, "Camel, oh camel, come and work on the farm like us." The answer was same. The horse, dog and ox went to the man and told everything. At the end of the day, the man called the horse, the dog and the ox together and said, "I'm very sorry for you, but camel can't work, so I am going to leave him alone, and you must work double time to make up for loss of work." Now all three animals were very angry. They held a panchayat under the Djinn, who was in charge of deserts. Djinn tried to convince the camel for work, but the camel replied with the same manner, only. Djinn tried again and again, but his only response was, Djinn converted the camel's back that he was so proud of into a big hump and said the camel, "You have not worked since Monday and now it's Thursday. You will have to work for 3 extra days." Now the camel came into senses. This time his response was not He said in stress, "How can I work with this hump on my back?" Djinn replied, "That hump has a purpose. It is all because you did not work for 3 days. Now, because of this hump, you will able to work for 3 days without eating." Then the camel went away to join the three, and from that day the camel always wears a hump on his back. Now, the moral of the story, the camel got his hump, is that nothing can be achieved by sitting idle and wasting time. The lesson is that we should finish our work on time, otherwise we will regret and we would have to pay for that. We also came to know through the story that no one likes a person who do not do any work. That's all about my topic. Thank you very much.